Hi, it's Denise Mai Real Estate. I'm standing here at 522 Newdale, located in West Vancouver. My client just took possession of this home. They purchased it for $3,175,000. It's been completely renovated, absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to give you a tour. As you come into the home, the first thing you see are these black pillars. I love the details of this home. Every single square footage has been thought out. I love the colored flooring. It's super light, airy. It makes the place feel super open. As you come on through, you got this beautiful island here, and I love the detail of the island. You've got these beautiful quartz countertops. Also, look at the matching beautiful 5-burner Bosch range, double mount under sink. And I love how all the appliances, like the dishwasher, the fridge, are flush. You don't even notice it's here. You've got your wine fridge to hold your sparkling wine for the summertime. You've also got Bosch oven and microwave. So it's very high-end appliances here. And I just love the dark accents for the lighting here. And every little detail is so exquisite, but refined. This is the beautiful living room. This space is all open and it's only divided by the accents right there. And I love the black matching table quartz countertop that we have here. And this is pretty much another accent to your living room with a gas fireplace. And this again leads to your balcony, which is one of 3 that you have here. And it overlooks the forests and the serene sound of nature. Look at this hallway. You've got the accents on the wall. You've got 3 bathrooms and 3 bedrooms up here. And you come on through the hallway, you've got these bedrooms that are super large, super spacious. And this would be your master bedroom. And as you can see, they've got the matching flush closets out here. Also, here it has access to another private deck. But as you come on through here, we have the bathroom that is absolutely gorgeous. And there's more of this house to see. I love these glass railings. It does not take away from the space or the home. Let's go check it out. Here we have your downstairs. We've got a separate kitchen, also another fireplace. This one though has this beautiful white quartz accent here that is absolutely gorgeous. And this one looks out into your beautiful deck. You've got a huge deck out here for you to enjoy on those summer nights, and it's so absolutely peaceful and serene. Wow, check out this deck. This is the highlight of the home. You've got a fire pit behind me. You can do pitch and putt. Imagine lounging here during those summer days, looking over your beautiful forest, plus a creek down the road. All of the sound of Mother Nature, all in your own backyard. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you like this video, show me some love. Hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I have new videos like this coming out every week. Again, my name is Denise Mai, and I hope you enjoyed this tour, and I'll talk to you next time.